Hi everyone, this is me Shudeshna. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Now, today's video is going to be a little different, right? You already know by the title. This is going to be a get ready with me for the purpose of a virtual date night or a virtual photo shoot. Now, virtual photo shoots are very trendy these days on social media. You all know, I hope. So I thought of sharing some makeup tips for that virtual things. Like whatever you do virtual, you got to look very photogenic. This is the concept. Like for that, you can wear a very vibrant color dress, or you can go for a vibrant makeup, or you can accessorize yourself in a vibrant way. Okay, so vibrant makeup doesn't mean that you need to look whitish or something like that. You can put a bold lip color, or you can put a bold eye makeup. So that's up to you, whatever you wish it to be. But for me, I feel personally that bold eye makeup or any kind of eye makeup doesn't really pop out on a virtual media. So I am thinking of going for a bold lip color today, because I have owned a basic black dress today. So yeah, whatever products I am going to be using today, they don't give a flashback. Like, they are going to be anti-flashback products. So yeah, this is the whole idea of this video. Without further ado, let's just jump into it. So first I'm starting it with the NYX Angel Wheel Primer. The consistency of this primer looks like this, and I'm just applying that around my T-zone area wherever I have got large pores. Now, this does control the shine of your face for a long time, but this does not really blur out all those pores situation on your face. So yeah. Moving on, I am using this Wet n Wild foundation in the shade Desert Beige. I'm just mixing it up with some strobing cream and avocado essential oil from Nykaa. The combination is my favorite. This kind of gives you that healthy looking skin effect. So yeah, I really love it. I'm just blending it out with the same Booty blender, which is from PAC. And next up, I'm just building the foundation up a little bit more wherever I have got pigmentation and acne scars problem. Next, to conceal several areas of my face, I'm using this Photo Focus Concealer from Wet n Wild itself, and I'm applying that on the dark circle, on the pigmentation around my mouth, just to, get rid of all those discoloration. Next, to highlight several features of my face, I'm using this NYX HD concealer in the shade Beige. Now, I love this concealer. Like, this is my first impression on this concealer, but I really love it. This does give a full coverage. Also, this blends really well. Generally, full coverage concealers doesn't really get blended that easily, but it does a great job as a full coverage concealer. Also, this doesn't give a flashback, which is a yay for me. To cream contour, I am using this K-Beauty contour stick in the shade Caramel Focus. Now I am just applying that on the usual places. Also, I'm doing lip contouring today. By illusion of the contouring, my lips is gonna look fuller. First, I'm blending it out with my finger, and then I am going in with my beauty blender. I kind of found this product a little tricky to get blended, so I kind of make it work like this. Next, to set everything in place, I'm using this Fit Me Loose powder. This is my holy grail product, like, guys. I'm just setting all those concealed areas of my face first. Then I am just going in with a fluffy brush like this, and then spreading the powder all over my face. Next up, I'm using the Sugar Powder Bronzer in the shade, I forgot the shade name, like as usual. The shade name is going to be given in the description box below in case you want to check that out. And the shade is really pretty. I am in C42, and it flatters on my skin tone as a powder contour as well as a bronzer beautifully. And it has got a darker shade as well. If you're darker than me, you can go for that too. I am just contouring all those usual places of my face, including my star apple shape wala nose, For my blush today, I went for a bubblegummy colored blush. This is the Wet n Wild Color Icon blush in the shade Pink Fantasy. Now this is a very pigmented blush. You have to be very careful while you are applying it. Also, this has got very chalky glitter particles into it, which I don't like. So I dusted it all off and then just applying it all over my cheek. To fill in my brows, I'm using this Innisfree brow pencil. This is a really good brow pencil. This is affordable. Also, this is a convenient option to go for, especially while you are traveling. It comes with a spoolie at the opposite side of the pencil, so yeah, making the tail section of my brows darker and going in with a soft hand at the front section of my brows, clearing it out with the same Wet n Wild concealer, giving it a more precise effect. Then I am going to prep up my eyelids for eyeshadow with the same concealer. Adding some powder to set. Next up, for my eyeshadow today, I am going in with this Makeup Revolution Pro palette. Now this is a completely beginner friendly palette. If you're a beginner, go and grab this palette. This is your palette. This has got neutrals, this has got color. It comes within 900 or 950 rupees. So yeah, I'm just adding some brown neutral color on my eyelids. For this look, I would have gone for the bronzer as well to add some color on my lid, but still I went for this palette. Next up, for my eyeliner today, I went with my all-time favorite eyeliner. This is the Color Essence eyeliner. This has got that jet black color into it. Also, this comes with a really precise tip. I bet you guys, you go for this eyeliner. This comes within 140 to 150 rupees. You go for it, you won't regret, I bet you. For my mascara today, you know it guys, this is my holy grail mascara. Like the day I got it on my hand, I really didn't go for any other mascara. This is the Maybelline Total Temptation mascara. For my highlighter today, I am going in with the Master Strobing cream from Maybelline, and then I am going to top it up with some powder highlighter. This way you can make your highlighter look more bomb. So yeah, I'm just applying it on the highest points of my face, and then I am just going to blend it out with my beauty blender. To fix everything in place, I'm using this PAC Micro Finish Makeup Fixer. I'm just spritzing it all over my face and then just pressing it with a beauty blender so that everything looks seamless and well blended. For my powder highlighter today, I went for the shimmer shade from the same eyeshadow palette, and I am just applying this on the highest points of my face wherever the light hits generally. I really love this highlighter. This is one of those blinding highlighters that I own. I really love it. I am just pressing it against my skin with a damp beauty blender so that it looks that I am glowing from within. Now this is the center of attraction of today's video. This is the lipstick. It's from Gala of London. The shade name is Hot Red. It's the moment you put it on your lips, it is going to literally increase the temperature of your surroundings. Literally, the pigmentation, the color payoff, the finish, it is going to give you that powder matte finish, and the price you got to pay for it is only 250 rupees. Can you imagine? This is one of my favorite red lipstick. Next up, adding some highlighter on my inner corner as well as on my brow bone. So yeah, this is the finished look. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you did, then don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Do share it with your friends and family. Do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. That would mean the absolute world to me. Also, don't forget to ring the bell icon right next to the subscription button so that you'll get notified whenever I'm going to be posting a new video on my channel. I am going to see you super soon with my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.